welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my full body hair removal routine with you guys. I'm going to teach you guys my before care, my after care, and how I did permanent hair removal at home. I didn't step out of the house for this. It's actually quite affordable and you guys will be shocked at the results. So before I get into it, if you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscription box below so you never miss a video from me, and also hit that little bell icon, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a comment telling me what you want to see next, and I'm gonna jump straight into it. So guys, I like to start off my skin prep with exfoliation. I like to use exfoliating mitts, and these are like Turkish inspired bamboo mitts. I like to use these dry and then wet with my scrub. So the reason I use them dry is because this will prevent ingrown hairs and also help me get really smooth, even skin. Secondly, I'm going to be using this with my homemade scrub, which is super easy to make. So for the scrub at home, I like to use olive oil, a little bit of green clay. You can use any clay that you prefer. I also put in honey and salt. You can use sea salt or normal pink salt. It's really up to you what you use, and I will put all the quantities in the description box below. But this will get my skin ready for the treatment and also moisturize my skin. I don't have to moisturize after this because the oil gives me like the smoothest skin ever. So I like to do this, and then the next step after this is shaving. So you can use like any shaver that you prefer. Like a usual shaver is fine. I like to use an electric shaver because it prevents cuts and all that. It's really easy and quick. So I'm gonna shave the area that I will be using the machine on, and today I'm gonna be using an IPL laser machine. This technology is quite new, not many people know about it, but it is so great because if you're someone like me that's super hairy, you can use this all over your body. You don't feel anything, it's pain-free, it's really quick to do, and you just do it once a week for 3 months to get a complete cycle. And the way it works is the heat, actually the light promotes heat into your hair follicles, and this heat goes into the melanin and prevents normal growth. So it's quite an incredible technology. It prevents hair growth completely, and I love to do this all over my body. So one thing is that it works better on people with lighter skin and darker hair. So if you're someone with blonde hair or red hair, it might not work for you, but definitely go on their website and check out the chart. And this machine is cool because you can even use it for acne, but I am using it for hair removal. And after I'm done, I use sunscreen. Guys, this is a very important part. You have to use sunscreen because this makes your skin a little bit sensitive to the sun. And I like to use aloe vera on my skin as well because it is a heat technology. It can warm up the skin, and this really calms the skin. And then I am done. Thank you guys so much for watching till the very end. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscription box below so you never miss a video from me, and don't forget to leave me a comment and tell me what you guys want to see next. Thank you for watching. Bye.